Welcome to Super Tech. Today, we are about to dive into a technological marvel in the agricultural industry, the largest tractor ever built by John Deere. Let's give a grand welcome to the John Deere 9RX. Imagine this. You're standing on a vast field, and in front of you is a colossal machine with 4 powerful tracks, effortlessly traversing any terrain. This is not a dream. This is the John Deere 9RX, the epitome of strength and efficiency in 2024. With an engine boasting up to 620 horsepower, the 9RX is an absolute beast. But don't worry, despite its immense power, it remains incredibly fuel efficient thanks to advanced technology. Its intelligent management system optimizes engine performance, protecting the environment while ensuring cost-effective operation. Unmatched performance. With its robust 4-track design, the 9RX easily conquers all types of terrain, from soft soil to hard ground, without causing soil compaction. This not only preserves soil structure, but also enhances traction, ensuring the tractor operates efficiently even in the most challenging conditions. Speaking of technology, the 9RX is second to none. Featuring a modern control system, a large touchscreen display, GPS connectivity, and high automation capabilities, you'll effortlessly adjust and monitor all field operation. From plowing, planting, to harvesting, everything becomes easier than ever. Let's hear from Ms. Hoa, farmer from Domtap. Since using the 9RX, our work has become much lighter. Tractor operates efficiently, saves time, and allows us to expand our farming area without worrying about performance. John Deere 9RX is not just a tractor, it represents the future of agriculture. With the continuous advancement of technology, tractors like the 9RX will play a crucial role in promoting sustainable and efficient agricultural production. Join SuperTech as we anticipate the remarkable strides in agriculture's future. John Deere 9RX is undoubtedly a pioneer in this revolution, bringing the most advanced solutions to farmers worldwide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our exciting upcoming videos from SuperTech. See you in the next video, where we will continue to explore cutting-edge technology and the most amazing machines.